In the previous video, we showed the effects of running various offline large language models on Raspberry Pi and Jetson. In this video, we will demonstrate how to build your own Raspberry Pi Jetson chatbot. The key to deploying large language models on embedded devices such as Raspberry Pi or Jetson is LLM. LLM aims to simplify the deployment process of large language models, avoiding cumbersome configuration. With just a few lines of commands, you can easily deploy and run the model. After testing, many large language models can run smoothly with the support of LLM. First, we need to prepare a master control board with more than 8 GB RAM to adapt to the 7B model. After actual testing, using 4 GB RAM memory can only run 3 8B or smaller models, and the speed is slow. It is recommended that users use 8 GB RAM version. We also need to prepare a system disk storage medium of more than 16 GB. Because a model file is very large, the larger the system disk capacity, the more models can be downloaded. Open the Raspberry Pi or Jetson terminal. Enter the command. Waiting for installation. When these contents appear, it means the installation is completed. When using the Raspberry Pi, there will be a warning that no GPU is detected. LLM will run in CPU mode. We can ignore this warning. There is no such warning when using devices such as Jetson. GPU enables us to have a smoother user experience. Enter LLM command. We can see some prompt. These are model operation related instructions. Then, we can enter the command in the terminal to pull the model from registry. After downloading the model, we can interact with the text. Experience these large language models. For example, let's ask a question. If the side length of a cube doubles, how many times will its volume increase? The square of a number is 49. What is this number? The above is the large language model deployment tutorial. If you have better ideas, share with us.